Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to show you guys how to make a red pigmented gloss. A few of you have been asking me how to do pigmented glosses, so this is my first pigment gloss tutorial. It's a very short, easy one. I have my Versagel and my oil mix here. And then I have my red pigment that I use. It's called DNC Red. And I got this from TKB Trading. And then you want to get a really deep color lip liquid, because lip liquids are what makes lip glosses pigmented. If you use a mica, you will not get a pigmented gloss. So if I used just this, my gloss will be red, but it will be more sheer than pigmented. So if you want a pigmented gloss, the trick is really to use a lip liquid. So I have this red lip liquid from TKB as well. I usually add a powder pigment and a liquid pigment to my pigmented gloss when I'm doing red, because I want it to be very bright. This is like a very bright color, so I want to have as much red as I can. So first I'm just gonna put in my red powder, and I put a lot when I do these, and I'm just gonna mix it with my Versagel and my oil. And I do this first because I want to make sure that all the powder is dissolved and mixed in before I put in my liquid pigment. So now that I have it all mixed in, I'm going to go ahead and add my liquid. And I add like maybe 10 drops or so. And if I need more, I just add more. So if you want a bright red gloss, this is what you're gonna do. So I'm just gonna go ahead and fill my tubes. And here you got your red gloss. So I will do a swatch test on my hand so you can see how red it is. And as you can see, this is exactly how it will go on the lips. It'll be very pigmented. Whoever puts it on is gonna have very deep red lips. So this is how you get your pigmented gloss. Let me know if this helped you, and I will catch you in my next video.